Welcome back, hackers. I'm Rootmancer. Today on PortSwigger, we're cracking our first SQL injection lab, bypassing a category filter to pull hidden data straight out of the database. No wasted time, let's begin. The first thing that catches my eye on the shop is the category filter. So let's poke at it. I click a category and keep an eye on the URL. There it is. The category I picked gets passed straight into the URL as a parameter. Category equals accessories. That's the value the site hands to its database to decide which products to show. If it drops that straight into a SQL query, we can inject. Let's test it. I drop a single quote onto the category value and boom, internal server error. That quote broke the query's syntax, so our input is landing right inside the SQL. Confirmed, we've got SQL injection. Now for the payload. Single quote, or 1 equals 1, double dash. The quote closes the string, or 1 equals 1 makes the query always true, and the double dash kills the filter that hides the unreleased items. The database hands over everything. And there it is, lab solved. That's our first SQL injection lab down. Hidden data pulled straight out of the database. Like, subscribe, and tell me which lab is next. I'm Rootmancer. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.